This is lot J368, 1972 Corvette Stingray LT1 Coupe. Odometer reads 40,595 miles. It is Elkhart green over saddle, beautiful combo, and it has a 4-speed manual transmission. Matching numbers, rare air smog equipment, power brakes, mostly original Elkhart green paint, and the interior is the original saddle leather, power windows, luggage rack, rally wheels, AM/FM radio. It's got a book with a lot of the paperwork, owner's manual. This is so cool when people document as much as possible. So, oh yes, the next owner will really have a wonderful trove of information here. That is great. Very nice interior, and we'll take a look under the hood in a sec. 72 with the amber lenses. Very nice. It's got the fin valve covers. Nice touch. That's the air pump. What were those? What was the meaning of that? Like air injection reactor or something like that? Someone correct me if I screw that one up. What a beautiful car. Gorgeous. Don't get jealous, Trans Am. Nothing wrong with you.